You are at historic marker number 14, located at 600 Francis Street on the corner of Francis and Southern Streets. This building was constructed in 1884 as a local grocery store. It's located on a corner to maximize street exposure. The large street-side windows were designed to show goods that were for sale and illuminate the interior of the store. It is representative of a vast array of neighborhood stores that were scattered throughout Key West. To understand the importance of these stores, you must transport yourself back in time to the turn of the 20th century, when a majority of the streets were dusty, unpaved paths. Automobiles were scarce, and the common mode of transportation was on foot, by bicycle, or if you were lucky, by horse. Traveling every day to a centralized location for fresh groceries was not practical. Many of the stores were built to service the needs of specific neighborhoods. It was common to find a laundry, drugstore, millinery store, dry goods store, coffee shop, ice cream parlor, billiard hall, and a bakery in every neighborhood. The stores were social gathering places where news and daily gossip was exchanged. They played an integral part in the everyday lives of our ancestors.